Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to tell about the grooming of the famous religious person J. Krishnamurti. Krishnamurti was a world famous religious person that we know. How he was groomed to be a religious person. Why we are not telling him as a world teacher? Because he told that world teacher itself is a misnomer. He did not want himself to be addressed as a religious leader. Kittu Krishnamurti was born in the year 1895 in Madanapalli in Andhra Pradesh. Later, their parents shifted to Mylapore at Chennai. Krishnamurti had a brother, Nityananda. When they were children, they used to go to Adayar beach and there they used to play. At that time, Theosophical Society was very popular among the religious people. Its president was Mrs. Annie Besant. Also, Lady Bitter was a member of Theosophical Society of India. Lady Bitter had mystic power. He was in search of a person who is eligible to be a world teacher. In Theosophical Society of India circles, it was believed that Lord Buddha was going to be born again in the form of Lord Maitreya. Lady Bitter thought that this J. Krishnamurti was eligible to become a world teacher in the form of Lord Maitreya. Then he identified J. Krishnamurti in his child as a person to be fit for the world teacher in the form of Maitreya. Later, Mrs. Annie Besant adopted J. Krishnamurti and his brother Nityananda as her adopted sons. The children were brought to London. There they were educated. J. Krishnamurti was not keen in studies. He was a very dull student. On the other hand, Nityananda was somewhat bright. J. Krishnamurti was not in a position to pass the metric examination even in 3 attempts. On the other hand, his brother Nityananda passed the examination. Lady Bitter recognized that J. Krishnamurti was a selfless soul. He was a completely different person. J. Krishnamurti was given all the facilities to be flourished. Also, Annie Besant gave all the facilities which were required for J. Krishnamurti. In 1929, there was an organization in the name of Star of the East was formed, in which J. Krishnamurti was the president. Millions of people were ready to be the followers of J. Krishnamurti. It was expected that Krishnamurti would be declared as the world teacher. An event was organized for this purpose in Holland. But on the particular day, J. Krishnamurti dissolved the Star of the East organization. He not only dissolved the organization, but he told he would not be a messiah or world teacher. He was not ready to accept any title. He did not want to be a world teacher. He renounced all those things. The Star of the East organization possessed lots of properties. He gave away all the properties to the owners. He returned all those properties to the particular owners. Then he became a freelancer, religious person. His philosophy is very interesting. His life is very unique. He gave very much importance to the individual enlightenment. He is a rebellious religious person. Up to 91 years of age, he was continuously talking about life. He did not concern about God. His concern was only about life. In particular, he was concerned about art of living, how our life should be lived. That was only his purpose. In the year 1986, he passed away in Ojai, California. His house was there in Ojai, California. He always shared his wisdom as a friend. He did not believe in the concept of a world teacher. He did not claim that he was extraordinary. Up to his death, he lived as a very simple person. Since our channel is very much inspired by his life vision, in the next video also we will be telling about his life vision once again. Once again, we will be coming in the next video telling about the great religious person J. Krishnamurti.